No water, no problem. No fresh vegetables, no problem. There's no excuse from being able to prepare. Soothing and healing tinola sa Ampalaya. Will it go well with champagne? Let's find out. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Don't go away, there's learning and fun here on Channel 1. Join me at the shed. Hello. The lighting condition is not good here, the weather neither, but we're cooking a very special recipe which involves garden vegetables. Today we're cooking a very special recipe. It's tinola, but instead of the usual chili leaves or chayote or papaya, I'll be using Ampalaya leaves. This is style Ilocano. I never tasted this at home. I tasted this at the foot of the Cordilleras. So, join me here today. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. I think the lighting is best here at the table. So, these are what we need. Onion, ginger, and garlic. This I'm going to just crush. It's the easiest way. Anywhere you could stop the tinola. We're cooking today a very special dish. Yes, I think you haven't tasted this before. It's special tinola. It's style Ilocano. My Manang Grace is here. She just arrived. Hello, Mana.
Hello, good morning. Agluto kami, Manang.
Where? The ingredients are very simple, the same as the usual tinola. Ginger, all around ginger, garlic and onion. I don't even have a stirrer here. Forgive me, but I'm going to use this. I don't have any other ladle. The onion first. And all of a sudden, you're watching in black and white. I think this is first on YouTube, this amount of smoke. Never seen before. Stir fry the chicken until they're no longer pink. It's really windy and grey outside. I think there's more attraction outside than here. I'll show you. In the Ilocos, we use patis at this stage of the tinola before adding water. We call it talamtam. Yeah. Talamtaman meti patis. Yeah. Talamtam is to add a bit of flavor. And the patis at this stage diminishes the smell of the fowl. I don't know, but that's the effect that we have proven. There's no running water here, so you might find this anomaly. Look. Ta-da! Never seen it before on YouTube. I'm surprised I have a chicken cube here. This enhances the chicken taste of our tinola. And all of a sudden, the sun shone. This is the weather here in Holland. Sudden change in weather. I'll show you. You might be probably expecting that we'll be using fresh harvest, but I don't have any harvest at the moment. Still It's still week 1 of spring. That's why instead of fresh Ampalaya leaves, I'll be using frozen. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I have here an ice box to preserve or to keep it frozen. Ice box or box, towel, and aluminum foil. Imagine how I love this Ampalaya leaves. So it's still frozen. I'll add it later. Boil the chicken at least 20 minutes. We don't want red chicken. I did not add any salt. The chicken cube and the patis are enough. I can add the precious Ampalaya now. Ideally, when using frozen vegetables, straight from the freezer. Straight from the freezer. It begins to disintegrate a bit, see? The beauty of cooking here at the garden is I can just throw away the kitchen refuse anywhere. No, not anywhere, but on the ground. I think it's cooked. Makan mana raman amon?
Halutan?
One. Ah, yeah, yeah. Kadang mo.
Ay, sus. Dati titinola si Ilocano.
Kumita ka di camera nga ron. Pero ka. Sige. Raman naman. Masadag ka.
Ay, no, nag-imas si kaya.
Ako ngayon na sinala
Tinola nga, manok nga, dati pariana, bulong pariana.
Di ba manang nagimas?
Nag-imas ka. Mantayo.
Sige, mantayo. Mantayo. Let's go.
No.
Picture nga ron. Yan. Masalig ka mo ng picture.
Nag-imas na si Dami Tata.
Tinola sa Ampalaya, Ilocano style, here on Channel 1. Sharing the flavors of the region, of the world, here on Channel 1. Join us again next time, just sa Agbati.
Just Agbati.
Mona, my God! Okay. It has become a tradition to have champagne here at the garden every Saturday. But it does not go well with Ampalaya, really. Nagpait man ng look at man ng dishes sloppy. No. Nagpait! Champagne at Ampalaya. No. No, that's why I can remember my mother drinking just water after eating something with Ampalaya. Gives the water very sweet flavor, but champagne after Ampalaya makes the champagne better. Bitter.